Okay. Team 1 left, Team 2 mid, Team 3 right. The same as always, guys. We will not be changing that anymore. So, just remember that already. That's the most basic plan, guys. Team 1 left, Team 2 mid, Team 3 right. It's gonna be easy to remember. Okay, okay. Let's see if we have enemy. I think, yeah, we have enemy. Better. It's Nemesis. But can't find my name. I did put you on. If you don't know your action team, just go middle. Yeah, maybe you online a bit late when I'm fixing action team. So if you don't know your action team, just go middle, guys. Middle lane. Mid laners. Team 1 left, Team 2 mid, Team 3 right. Okay. I think I put that in chat also. So, honestly. Hey chat, just go mid na if you cannot remember. Those who can't remember, just go mid. I know you always put me in left. Yeah, I put your family always on left. Free win, I don't know, Pride. I don't know. They have some members and I see some people here also. But I think we have more players, so I think we already meet this club few times already. You can already kill them, to be honest. You won't be having a hard time already. Wala. Ano, i-up si Kaslana. Nire-request ka na nila. Come up here. Hello, sister.
Hi.
Birthday. Birthday.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday.
Who? Jose?
Yes.
Oh, happy birthday, sister. Oh,
Come up,
you
come up.
want okay, come up here because it's your birthday. Okay.
No,
How old are you already, Jose?
secret no glue.
I think it's bad to ask women about their age, but I think you're still young. So, how old are you?
Young.
Young. Okay. I think you are around 40,
Secret.
40.
Yes, alam mo
41.
comment on yun. Hindi mas matanda
41.
sa akin.
Yeah.
Joke lang.
Don't be fooled, guys. Jose is already around 40, so just say happy birthday later.
Guys, Mingun is already around 70.
No one will believe you though. Happy birthday, Granny. Yeah, I think she will appreciate it, no? Good job. Happy birthday. Mute ka mamaya, Pride. Lagot ka. I think Kaslana can sing you a happy birthday later. We have our resident singer. Resident singer.
Na para bang kumanta na.
Wala pa nga ni. I hope you won't get... Oh, you got fan zone? Jose?
Pareho.
Aray ko. Oh, who? The who? Nag naglalaro pa? I- is the one who friend zone you still playing? Hindi na? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I thought he was still playing.
There's someone new.
He's been inactive. Oh, maybe he is already in 235, Jose. Yeah, maybe he just jumped server. So maybe if you have good intelligence network, you can Linian? Okay. Wait, let me see. Linian. Oh, come up here. Hello.
Yan. Yes. Hi.
Hello, hello. Linian, are you new? I think, or you just changed name.
This is Barbie po.
But what? Again?
This is Barry. Very cute.
Ah, very. Ah, okay. Ve- okay. I thought you. I thought you quit already. Oh, you're back. Very
I
cute.
think
Okay, okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
Hi
welcome
guys.
back. Welcome back. Yeah, you don't need to quit, guys. Just play like casually. It's fine. As you can see, we are not kicking players also, as long as we don't need the slots. So don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, welcome back, welcome back. Very cute. Very cute. Oh my goodness. Tinatalbogan niyo yung birthday girl. Yeah. It's okay, Jose. Just look for another one. If you got friend zone, that's normal. That's normal. Normal.
Memory of Uber.
Normalize. 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 Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. You will look for like somebody out there. Welcome,
Right.
welcome.
May bago na siya.
Ni
Hindi na niya kailangan maghanap.
Oh, you have new one. Oh, okay, okay. Where team 2? Middle, Niero. Middle. Mid. Wait, I'll put mid. There. Mute. May ba is there a new one already, Jose? Congratulations if it's your birthday and still you have a new one already. Congrats, Jose. Ta-da! Oh. What about team 1? Team 1 is left. Oh, wait. T1 is left side. There. Okay, okay. Very mais. She is very good. She is very good. Gossip girl. Yeah. We always entertain good gossips, guys. In DR, sometimes you might be bored playing the game, but the gossips are always juicy. Always remember that.
Very true.
Yeah, I sometimes you just play DR to have fun, right? So no need to stress so much on playing. Just have fun. Don't worry, don't worry. Even chismis is also good. You play for chismis, that is good also at the same time. Okay, okay.
Di mo na lang kami ng chismoso kami.
I'm not so much, but if it's good gossip, then I am always ready to listen. Of course, gossips are yummy.
Chismis is one.
Yeah, gossips are good. It's very good, especially if you don't have anything to do. Gossip, gossip is always been the thing. 1 minute. Oh, it started, guys. Collect, collect, collect. Go, go, go. Oh. Okay, got one. Where is the other one? What the hell? Oh, okay. Phantom got it. Okay, good job, good job. You just push them out, maybe, and maybe do some barricade. outside the base. But be careful, don't be so near because of the cannon, guys. Wait, let me put some command here. Teleport. If you die, just come here. Oh. If you die, just use the portal. Okay. Okay. Oh, the guys are bullying. Okay, have fun. I will just stay on the right side. If ever you die, there is a portal activated. So just don't go there, Aether. You can only use that if you are from the base na. You cannot go inside. I go. Yeah, go middle if you don't remember your team. Thank you so much, birthday girl. Yeah, it's your birthday, so Kaslana is preparing one good song for you.
Oh.
Yeah, of course. I thought I'm on the wrong side. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry, you. Yeah, taray ni Mario. May pa-protect. Sana all. Na all pinoprotect. Okay. I'm seeing some bullies, but it's okay. Go on. Happy birthday to Jose, guys. Jose is already entering the stage of being an auntie. Yeah, auntie stage. I'm sorry. Ajuma. Yeah, auntie. It's aunt. What do you mean auntie? Yeah, it's okay, guys. People are sometimes very wary of their age, but don't worry, age is just numbers, okay? So don't think so much about it. It's how you think about your age, guys. So don't worry.
Alam mo, sayang ko.
Sino? Galit. Ay, Diyos ko, sayang ka talaga. Di ba yung... Ay, Diyos ko, oh my God. Sayang ka talaga, girl. I can still do dancing, no no background. Okay. Your back is still good. Congratulations, Jose. That's that's a good start. Life starts at 40, so if your back is still good at 40, still good. Okay, good job. Ayan. Unlike you. Oh, my back is still good though. I can still... My knees, my back is very, very good. So, don't worry. What do you mean you down? Oh no. I can still run around and tumbling here and there. Don't believe me. Ayan. No. It's okay. Don't mind. Wait, let me see if there is still shield mecha. Okay, mecha again. Okay. Oh, I saw Sister Yuna is enjoying her night. Okay, have fun. Aether, okay lang yan. My next life pa. Okay, it's okay. No, I'm not even moving. Yeah, I'm just standing at the side. You guys can have fun. Go. Sorry, I'm late. It's okay, Levia. Welcome back. Don't mind. You know, in this club, I mean, win or lose, it's fine. I mean, we aren't that. Ever since I don't consider a club like, you know, just by the wins or anything. Ever since I played this game. So don't mind. We win, lose, it's fine. Just have fun na. And I think you guys are having fun. I see many people having so many kills already. Sarna and oh, how I'm having a hard time pronouncing your name, sister. Why not go back to Yuna? Agleya. Sorry, sorry. Alea, I forgot. I forgot. G is G is silent, guys. It's
Oh
Alea.
my God,
Sorry, sorry.
Violet.
Yeah, yeah. She will rage later. Don't
Don't
type.
accept his apology, go spank his back.
Don't don't Oh, you're gonna die with Oh my god. Yuna will hunt you guys. I told you already. Is Yuna listening? Oh, lucky he's not Oh, okay, lucky she's not listening. Oh, we're good guys, we're good. Don't worry, don't worry. Ang gila. Oh,
Alex, don't hate listening to our voice. Oh,
yeah, yeah. I think Alea also knows that you will mispronounce her name, so better she didn't join. Good job for that, sister. Yeah, he is having fun killing people, so. Jose, what? Maybe I think you can sing one song because it's your birthday, right? I even have your screenshot, you saying you're gonna sing. If you don't sing, I will post that screenshot in the ano, in the social media of Discord, okay? So better prepare your one song because you already promised that in the past. Okay, okay? Good job, good job. So you play. Can't hear. There is suddenly your ears are very bad. Painful. Don't worry, don't worry. After you sing, we will have a healing voice from Kaslana. And maybe Very is very good singer also. My ears are itchy. You don't sing Very. I think you're a very good singer also, the same with your name.
He
Is
actually
it?
volunteered.
Yeah, yeah. So I think because
I have
Kaslana
screenshot.
is yeah, Kaslana will be so tired if she will be just singing alone. So of course you need a
Oh,
birthday girl. Yeah, the birthday girl needs to sing. Also our visitor, welcome back. Very cute. So I think just one chorus is enough. Like yeah, right? Very. Uy, very. Next one na lang ulit. Oh, see, Barry will try. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just chorus is enough. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah. Don't be like Jose. Jose is scammer, guys. Birthday girl is a scammer. Baka marinig sampal ako. Sino sasampal sa'yo? Don't push nanay mo. Nanay mo. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Don't mind. Di naman kami masasampal. So don't worry, don't worry. You can still sing na, sister. We're safe
Hoy,
anyway.
alam mo naman may mga katabi ako dito eh. Hindi mo talaga ako masampal.
But when you are in Club Voice, you are using earphones, right? So it's not like
No.
we.
Pakinggan
So
ko
they
eh.
can hear us?
Yeah.
What? Hello po. Sino ba? Sino ba katabi mo?
Ay.
Welcome to our vlog.
Oh, kasama ko yung jowa ng kuya ko, pati kuya ko.
Jowa ng kuya mo, pati kuya mo. Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Hello
okay.
po,
Welcome to
kuya.
our vlog. Yeah, hello.
Hi, Kabili. Ay, mali yun.
Hey, kuya.
Hello, Koya.
Oh, yeah.
We go out, guys. We go out. We'll do POC and SOC. We continue after we go out na. Aray.
Yung ano na.
Okay, GG well played. Let's go. Yeah, nandito ka pa. Let's go. Base na, base. GG, well played, guys. Wait. About that. GG, well played, guys. Let's go.